Best AI trading platforms for beginners. AI is transforming trading, but most beginners lose money before they even start. I show you the safest and most beginner-friendly AI trading platforms you can actually trust. First, eToro. It's one of the most beginner-friendly platforms thanks to its CopyTrader feature. You can literally copy trades from experienced investors automatically. Plus, it offers AI-powered insights and social trading tools. Next, TradingView is not a broker, but a powerful charting platform with AI-based indicators and community-built strategies. You can use ready-made AI scripts without coding. It's perfect for learning. Metatrader 5 is more advanced but still great for beginners who want automation. It allows you to use AI trading bots called expert advisors. Many brokers support it, so it's very flexible. If you don't want to code at all, Capitalize AI is a game changer. You can create trading strategies using plain English. For example, buy Bitcoin if price drops 5%, and the AI executes it automatically. Final advice: start simple. Don't trust platforms promising guaranteed profits. Use demo accounts first and focus on learning, not earning. If you want a step-by-step beginner setup using AI, check the next video and don't forget to subscribe for more smart trading content.